Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Mastercard gift card on Roblox. So let's get into the video. So open up Roblox and log into your account if you have an account. So once you've logged into your account, so if you want to use your Mastercard gift card on this platform, you can simply use that card to buy Roblox on this site. So how do you do that? You can click, once you've logged in, click on this Roblox option here and then click on buy Roblox, and this will get you this page here where you can choose the package that you want to purchase. So for example here, this one, let me choose this. I'll choose this option here. So once I choose this, so this will take me to the payment page here. So here I can simply use my Mastercard by selecting this option here, the debit cards. Since it's a debit card, I'm going to hit on this debit card option, and then once I click on it, now all I have to do is simply plug in the details of my Mastercard gift card. So for example here, so once this loads, simply plug in the details of my Mastercard gift card that I have, and then click on this authorize option, and then that's it. Hit on continue and complete the process. So we have used our Mastercard on Roblox to purchase some Robux. So that's how it is. So you can use this, that's how you can use this platform, that's how you can use this your gift card on this platform. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.